My God.
Michael Arden. I love Michael Arden. Huh. Who's Michael Arden?
A party guy for CTW.
I mean, just because he dresses bad, it doesn't mean that he's not a bad person. And he is, in fact, a bad person. But what a nice person.
He has a mind like a steel trap. He's this guy, man. He's this legend.
He likes Stravinsky, but also WC.
I know this is an unpopular opinion, but
Uh-oh. Oh, no, wait.
I actually like my garden.
He's one of my great customers.
Looked a lot like Klaus Kinski the man.
He goes, whoa, a lot.
I don't know.
Open-faced, optimistic, good-natured, earnest. Wow.
I knew you when you were nothing.
I saw Mike Arden drink out of the milk container, and he didn't even wipe his lipstick.
I think he dresses much better nowadays.
You were just a little squatty program, about that big. Could I shoot?
Okay, so Michael, I've been thinking about this. I've been trying to think of what we can possibly come up with that might entice you to stay at CTW. So how about this? We double your salary.
Do you accept cash?
We give you what's currently the testosterone zone as your own private office, and you never have to work on New Kid City again. What do you think? Okay, how about this? How about if we arrange with the artist formerly known as Prince to come and do sound design work for you? What do you think?
Excellent!
Yes, I think he's been damaged.
Here's looking at you.
Wow. Wow.
No, I don't think so.
Well, I was told that if I took a job at Children's Television Workshop and worked here, that I get to see black and whites of Michael naked, and I didn't see any yet.
Oh yes, scarred my memory.
Yeah, he's got a good bod.
I'm not actually saying like permanent things.
I liked them.
It's got to be the most perverse thing I ever saw in my life. You know, Rob Medell's going to see this video too.
Okay, how about this? The CTW book group has agreed to publish your first novel. Now, all you have to do is take that somewhat tortured protagonist you've got and make it Elmo.
That's not the next.
Maybe he'll cook.
Have sex. Have sex. Have more sex. More sex.
Probably go bungee jumping.
I think the first thing Mike's going to do on his day off is get a tattoo and a body piercing.
Ooh, what sort of a Kreskin thing? Wait.
He'll be my secretary.
Does he know?
Of course, I don't really know what either of us are doing, say, this weekend, so it's difficult for me to answer about 10 years.
Hopefully he'll be the next Bill Gates.
In 10 years, maybe he'll look 31.
My guess is that he's always going to be interested in trying a lot of different things and he'll probably move around a whole lot.
Big things, Mike. Big things. I feel it. I see it.
Cheers, Mike. Oh my God. Whoa.
The Macintosh is not a rotten computer, Michael. Good luck.
Bye,
Bye, Michael. Good luck.
Aloha. Mike, you're beautiful, man.
Bye, Michael. Good luck.
Hi, Michael. Good luck. I'm only a lowly fact checker.
He's, Oh, are we recording?
That's why my aunt comes tomorrow. I'm trading him to that chair. He ain't going. No way. What is it? I know it was always a great pleasure to take your money from you.
Only good things, man. Only good things for the future and memories of the past.
Goodbye, Michael. Oh, you're not Michael.
No.
Goodbye, Michael.
Hey, good luck. Not that you'll need it.
We were just having a meeting, and,
I didn't hear our little discussion.
We've always been a close group, but... there's the flashing battery sign. If you're going to say something, say it.
we have nuclear power. We will take over.
Moi.
Okay, that was relatively painless.
Oh, I stuck my foot in my mouth by saying something.